Welcome to Explore with AAA. We are back on the road. Now, so we take reach ROGBERE. I made a promise here for tell you say the next time we go take the other axis where the we go put LOKO. If you remember when we been start from WATERLOO till we reach Lonsar, you go remember say when we be reach na ROGBERE junction na ya, which side we dey right now, we be make right for go Lonsar. This right here na indicate we go Lonsar, na indicate we go Makeni. But for today, we dey take left, we dey bring we come na LOKO Cambia Highway. Now there we dey so now. We take the left. If you remember MASIAKA, if you make right, the car go south. If you make left, the car you north. I hope I get good students then yeah. We remember. But for now, we dey na the Cambia LOKO Highway. Which side we dey go? Bet if I know. Watch to the end, you go able to tell us how we go in the comment section. We go make it the next day we will come now. Yeah, you go get a shout out with a cruise. Yes, we get from MASIAKA to ROGBERE, and we get from ROGBERE to LOKO to Cambia. I like the ROGBERE to Cambia Highway. Which side we this right now? It's more spacious than the one from MASIAKA to ROGBERE. That one they tight. But hey, we'll leave that conversation there for another day. Happy new month. It's the month of March 2025. If you na a regular follower na ya, you know say when the new month don't cancel, we get an update for G. Waiting at the update. Waiting at the expectation. Make a laugh. Well, United States. You hear it I say? Oh, you know you know look here. I say United States for the month of February. They don't take their position back. Number one. For the 100% we watch with channel, United States can number one. Yeah, the train line this, yes, the iron ore train, the bauxite train, 9 and the train line now cross so just now. Leon Rock. United States for the month of February take number one. Sierra Leone then begets number one for January after a very long time. Salon became number one. But United States don't take their position back, and now US of A they number one. Sierra Leone, kudos to una. Una not even allow America for lead una that much because United States get 32.7%. Now United States take lead 32.7% and Sierra Leone get 29.5%. Kudos to Sierra Leone with the kind of internet wahala we know say Salon get, and for make Salon get 29.5%. Salon the nak chest day, Salon say la tell us say if them be get that internet to America get, America not for the near themselves. Salon, don't forget say America they left on alone na kanda much so na take them. But kudos to Sierra Leone, 29.5%. Yeah, in United Kingdom, in people them 12.1%. Salon de Draguna no left and so. Anyway, na they try. Canada 2.2%. Australia 2.1%. Germany 1.9%. Netherlands 1.7%. Gambia 1.4%. Nigeria 1.2%. and France 1.2%. YouTube they give it the first 10. United States 1, Sierra Leone 2nd, United Kingdom 3rd, Canada 4th, Australia 5th, Germany 6th, the Netherlands 7th, Gambia 8th, Nigeria and France then draw at the 9th and 10th position at the Ola. Okay, so kudos. Well, for the one name we watch the video, for the 100% that we watch the video, now only 27.9% are then subscribe to the channel. 72.1% not subscribe, but the card and they watch. For subscribe now free. You know the pay. It's just to allow you for get notification for say, oh, AAA don't upload another video. Now they allow you for. Not for say they pay. 72.1% are coming here, but they not subscribe. Would they try for reach 40,000 subscribers? When we reach there. Yeah. That not talk safe. That left and soon. But let we try. I see a lot of people will comment on this Sangoya to Menika village video. Una thank you. The one that will be the doubt triple the boat. Hey, I don't tell una say this 2025. Me self work me. I get my team members then, but for right now, I they take the lead. Yes. And you know is you. And that kuna credit tego Menika video. Man, in another video I do back na lunge, you know it. Maybe after this we'll work out that one they know is you. Me self I feel like say I'm putting in the work, and I'm glad you yourself appreciate the work where they put in Naya. This particular video, I want for dedicator, yes, so somebody special na this channel. You know, say every time I get new mama Naya. And I want for dedicate them to me, mama, yes, it don't born me done. Mrs. Kumba Fode Pakiwa. I dedicate this video to you, ma. Samuel Pakiwa and Sia Pakiwa. We all long-term brother and sister now. Not on no more the mommy born. But thanks for always watching the video here, Mrs. Kumba Fode Pakiwa, and I really appreciate you for always being on the channel. Thank you. This video I give you. Samuel Pakiwa, kudos to you, sir. Thank you. See ya, but you don't tell me see ya no comments. See ya. Comment la no say yourself there around. Sandra Kamara. Yes, but one thing go they drop and day. Saidu, the last day you say you don't know what happen you and Saidu say you don't know what happen you and YouTube where you the comment and they grace you and sometimes because of the subscribers count. But Saidu self always, you know, I ain't get with subscriber count now. We don't reach now the checkpoint now put LOKO at the checkpoint this. Yes, now so take reach there. On that last video there, Sally Kamara being reached at the end. We also be get Buck 109, Al Haji. They ask me, Triple, when did they go back to Rokel? Really? You know, see how much video do na Rokel? Don Celia say in reach na the end na the Menika Community Health Center. Mariatu Fofana na the UK in self watch to the end. Lamin Kamara self watch to the end. Wanegbe Now so keep them locked na one egbe. Because I don't know if Timbo one lost you. And at the comment section. Leonard Macaulay always gets we back na. Now one of the originals there na this channel. He say that's why I asking at the last host this himself feel like if I say Triple the waka they don't tire you. And really, man, I was tired. That waka day. The other one I see don't na me being get. Kazaya from Australia, self being rich na the end. Say Triple finally enter the boat. Yes. Usman Bangura right there in Canada. Say Triple, you in this waka, but you look fit. And they show them the working experience. Alright, Belgium Bangura. Belgium Banks. Himself reached to the end. Leonard saying a good exercise. It was really a good one. Belgium Banks back say he reached at the end under the mango tree. Murray Francis say ain't so emotional. Okay. Say because salon fine. Say why people then left them fine place here, then go jam pack themselves na freedom. Right, we still look for that answer. They will get work out and Abubakar Ba, me watch to the end. Dennis Cole, Esekwa Mwideri. Yes. He said this na extra motivation for we. When we come back na salon. He say inwardly he may become emotional. Where I been say at the end are tired, and I was tired. For real. Then it's cool. And he be watch to the end. Always gets winner. Bonnie Jensen from Brandywine, Maryland. We under did himself say he watch to the end. He say la continue for do the good work. Isaac Koroma, we watch to the end. Abu Kamara, watch to the end. Gladys Mason and Eddie Mason, themselves always there, then watch to the end. Ian say in the watch from UK and he be reaching at the end. You dey watch, eh? Now inside put LOKO with this one. We dey inside put LOKO now. This road now they lead you straight gonna airport. Now the road this. That's how una see make left because they try for you to comment. Now the road this way they can you go straight na airport. Sat Boa be watch to the end. You say this na your area Karichi Jan Sambo say this na your area. Abdullahi Jallo say on the previous video na Tinta4 Tripoli you know call Mayaya. You say Mayaya na one of the main road then towards Conakry. Well you don't call her now, thank you. Broad shoulder say beautiful. Thank you for the waka. In be there with me to the end. Annie Bernard watch to the end. For the camera say this chiefdom then call her Lokomasama. Augustine Musa say well done and in be watch to the end. V Sawyer say now beautiful scenery. It is. The camera not doing justice. Man, that boat view with inside the boat with the sea over Sangoya, it was beautiful. Our Natsu Nalo say well done. He watched to the end. Sam J watched to the end. Abubakar Ba himself been watched to the end at the hospital. Kanjura Fofana say he watched to the end. Usman Kamara say the view was scenic. It was. If you they watch this video, you know watch that across the river video from Sangoya or take from Conakry, Ukan Sangoya, then Waka, go Sangoya to Manika, you don't miss so. Chernoba say he watched to the end. Leo Mystic now we Middle East ambassador na share network. If you watch the we reach na ya, na inside POTLOKO they turn so. Yes, inside POTLOKO na they will do so now. They show you different areas there. If you sabi POTLOKO, well, I guess you know inside we do so now. Yeah, they turn for show you. Comment below. Inside this video from here, we can go na the POTLOKO market. Comment say you reach na the market, POTLOKO market. So the next time we can hire, you will get a shout out. Yeah? Una thank you. But why you need to share the video? Or you can share? Well, thank you. I feel you not can share. Or this time need to share. Why you not to share? Why? Hey, let's get things done here. We want reach to 40,000. We don't cook for una for 40,000. We want serve una. But unless we reach 40,000 subscribers before that video, they go kinda. 2025. They left and for nobody now. You feel to say we don't work. Wait me, give me small time. You just subscribe so that you don't go miss. I see people and they say triple A, thank you. Una say thank you. Where they watch, where they tell thank you. Thank you for telling me thank you. But bring more people. Them want for hit the 40,000 who want hit them. That will make things happen. Because 100,000 they can. What they can do? APC, the office, na the Indian na your left hand so. And then fence na the inside POTLOKO. Yes. They come by the POTLOKO clock tower for going to the market. At the tower, you see down here and the sun. So the next time we will go for take end alongside, we will need for continue for reach McKinney. We'll try for do that one day back. Now we know more. Now what they do now so. So if you want for support the channel, come on board. For get things done faster. Thank you for watching. Tell we say you reach now the market. And you go get a shout out the next time. Don't forget to say me na Triple A. Still the man behind the mic. The former extraordinary. The self-proclaimed ambassador at large. In Tsunodi. One and only. 3 A's. Thank you. Keep them locked now, yeah? POTLOKO market, comment below so that you will get a shout out on